Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you completed your project but don't know how to upload it to GitHub? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to push any project to GitHub using command prompt step by step. Let's get started. First, open GitHub and create a new repository. Enter a repository name, choose whether you want it to be public or private, and then click Create Repository. Now open your project folder. There are two ways to open command prompt. The first way is to open command prompt normally and use the cd command to navigate to your project folder. The easier way is to open your project folder. Click on the address bar, type CMD and press enter. Command prompt will open directly in that project folder. Now type Git init. This initializes Git in your project and starts tracking your files. Next, type git add dot. This stages all the files in your project, preparing them for the first commit. Now type git commit -m inside double quotes initial commit. This creates your first commit and saves a snapshot of your project. Next, type git branch -M main. This renames the current branch to main, which is GitHub's default branch. Now go back to GitHub and copy your repository URL. Then type git remote add origin, followed by the repository URL. This connects your local project to your GitHub repository. Finally type git push -u origin main, press enter. If GitHub asks you to sign in, complete the authentication process. Once the upload is complete, refresh your GitHub repository page. Congratulations! Your project has been successfully uploaded to GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to What I Learn Daily for more programming tutorials, coding tips, and interview preparation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.